Welcome to Riga, where history meets charm. Riga, the vibrant capital of Latvia, beckons travelers with its enchanting blend of history, culture, and modern allure. This city, with its rich tapestry of past and present, offers a unique experience that is both captivating and enlightening. Situated on the Baltic Sea, this captivating city has been shaped by centuries of trade, conquest, and resilience. The strategic location of Riga has made it a melting pot of various cultures and influences, each adding a unique layer to its historical narrative. From its medieval Old Town to its Art Nouveau architecture, Riga is a feast for the eyes and a journey through time. The cobblestone streets and well-preserved buildings tell stories of a bygone era, while the intricate facades of Art Nouveau structures showcase the city's artistic flair. Founded in 1201 by German traders, Riga became a major Hanseatic League city, accumulating wealth and influence. The city's strategic importance grew as it became a central hub for trade between the East and the West, attracting merchants and artisans from all over Europe. Over the centuries, it fell under Swedish and Russian rule, each leaving its mark on the city's architecture and character. The Swedish era brought fortifications and administrative buildings, while the Russian period introduced grand boulevards and neoclassical structures. Today, Riga stands as a testament to its multifaceted past, with a captivating blend of Gothic spires, ornate facades, and Soviet-era structures. This architectural diversity creates a unique skyline that reflects the city's complex history and resilience. Beyond its architectural treasures, Riga pulsates with a youthful energy and a thriving arts and culture scene. The city is home to numerous galleries, theaters, and music venues where local and international artists showcase their talents. Stroll along the cobblestone streets of the Old Town, where every corner reveals a piece of history. The charming squares and hidden courtyards invite you to explore and discover the stories that have shaped this city. Savor the flavors of Latvian cuisine with its hearty dishes and fresh ingredients. From traditional rye bread and smoked fish to modern culinary creations, Riga's food scene is a delightful journey for your taste buds. Or immerse yourself in the vibrant nightlife. The city's bars, clubs, and live music venues offer a lively atmosphere where you can dance the night away or enjoy a quiet drink with friends. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or simply seeking a charming European getaway, Riga promises an unforgettable experience. The city's museums and historic sites provide a deep dive into its rich heritage, while contemporary art spaces and cultural events keep the spirit of innovation alive. So, pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and get ready to uncover the hidden gems and captivating spirit of Riga, Latvia. This city, with its perfect blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy, awaits to offer you memories that will last a lifetime. Stepping back in time. Riga's Old Town. At the heart of Riga lies its UNESCO-listed Old Town, a captivating labyrinth of cobblestone streets, medieval squares, and architectural wonders. This area is a living museum, where every corner and alleyway holds a piece of history waiting to be discovered. Stepping into this historic district is like traveling back in time, with each building whispering tales of bygone eras. The vintage facades and intricate details of the buildings tell stories of merchants, craftsmen, and nobility who once walked these streets. Start your exploration at the House of the Blackheads, a stunning example of Riga's Hanseatic heritage. This building, with its ornate decorations and striking facade, is one of the most iconic landmarks in the city. Originally built in the 14th century, this ornate guildhall was destroyed during World War II, but painstakingly rebuilt after Latvia's independence. The reconstruction efforts were meticulous, ensuring that the building retained its historical charm and significance. Today, it stands as a symbol of Riga's resilience and architectural grandeur. It serves as a reminder of the city's ability to rise from the ashes and preserve its cultural heritage. Wander through the old town's narrow streets, lined with colorful merchant houses, cozy cafes, and artisan shops. Each street has its own unique character, offering a delightful mix of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. Don't miss St. John's Church, with its soaring Gothic spire, which dominates the skyline. This church is not only an architectural marvel, but also a place of spiritual significance for the locals. Or the Three Brothers, a charming ensemble of three houses representing different periods of Riga's architectural history. Each house has its own story, reflecting the evolution of architectural styles over the centuries. For a taste of local life, head to Dome Square, the heart of the Old Town. This bustling square is a hub of activity where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the lively atmosphere. Here, you can admire the majestic Riga Cathedral, listen to street musicians, and watch as the square comes alive with performances and events. Or simply soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Whether you're sipping coffee at a sidewalk cafe or exploring the nearby shops, Dome Square offers a perfect snapshot of Riga's dynamic culture and history, symbols of freedom and faith, monuments and churches. Riga's skyline is punctuated by towering spires and grand monuments, each bearing witness to the city's rich history and unwavering spirit. As you wander through the streets, you'll find that every corner of Riga tells a story, from its medieval past to its modern-day resilience. From symbols of freedom to architectural masterpieces, these landmarks offer a glimpse into Riga's soul. They stand as silent sentinels, guarding the memories of the past while inspiring hope for the future. No visit to Riga is complete without paying homage to the Freedom Monument, a towering symbol of Latvia's independence. This monument is not just a piece of art, it is a testament to the nation's enduring spirit and the sacrifices made for freedom. Unveiled in 1935, this Art Deco masterpiece stands tall as a reminder of the country's struggle for freedom and its enduring national pride. The monument features a woman holding 3 stars, symbolizing the unity of Latvia's 3 historical regions. For panoramic views of the city, climb to the top of St. Peter's Church, one of Riga's most iconic landmarks. The climb is well worth the effort, offering a unique perspective on the city's layout and its blend of old and new architecture. This 13th century church boasts a soaring spire that has been rebuilt several times throughout history. Each reconstruction tells a story of resilience and renewal, reflecting the city's ability to rise from the ashes. From the observation deck, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking vistas of Riga's Old Town, the Daugava River and beyond. The view is a perfect blend of natural beauty and architectural splendor, capturing the essence of Riga. Other notable churches in Riga include the Riga Cathedral, the largest medieval church in the Baltics. Its impressive size and intricate design make it a must-visit for anyone interested in history and architecture. And the Nativity of Christ Cathedral, a stunning example of Russian Orthodox architecture. This cathedral, with its golden domes and richly decorated interior, offers a serene and spiritual experience, contrasting beautifully with the Gothic and Baroque styles found elsewhere in the city. A feast for the senses, culture and cuisine in Riga. Beyond its architectural treasures, Riga offers a vibrant cultural scene and a culinary landscape that will tantalize your taste buds. From world-class opera performances to bustling markets brimming with local delicacies, Riga is a feast for the senses. For a night of cultural immersion, Head to the Latvian National Opera, housed in a grand 19th century building. Here, you can experience the beauty of opera, ballet, and classical music performances. For a more contemporary art scene, check out the Latvian National Museum of Art, which showcases a diverse collection of Latvian and international art. No trip to Riga is complete without a visit to the Central Market, a bustling hub of local life and a foodie's paradise. Housed in 5 former Zeppelin hangars, this sprawling market offers a sensory overload of sights, smells, and tastes. Sample traditional Latvian treats, stock up on fresh produce, or simply soak up the lively atmosphere.